Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diablo 4 Endgame. After completing the main campaign, a vast world of challenges and opportunities awaits. Your primary goal is to continuously strengthen your character, preparing for increasingly difficult encounters. This involves engaging with several key systems designed to enhance your power and refine your playstyle. We will cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth and rewarding transition into the endgame experience. The Diablo 4 endgame offers several crucial activities to advance your character. Nightmare dungeons provide significant experience and item upgrades, scaling in difficulty. Helltides are time-limited events offering abundant crafting resources and potent gear. The Tree of Whispers grants quick legendary rewards for completing various tasks. Additionally, confronting world bosses yields valuable and often unique equipment, essential for your progression. To truly excel in the endgame, optimizing your character is paramount. The Paragon board allows for deep customization, significantly boosting your stats and passive abilities. Regularly upgrade your equipment at the blacksmith and jeweler to maximize its potential. Imprinting legendary aspects onto your gear provides powerful, build-defining effects. Continuously refine your skill tree to discover the most effective and enjoyable playstyle for your chosen class. Once you have a solid foundation, advanced strategies will elevate your endgame experience. Challenge yourself by pushing into higher Nightmare Dungeon tiers for superior rewards and greater difficulty. Focus on farming specific bosses to acquire highly sought-after unique and even uber-unique items. Engage in the fields of hatred for player versus player combat and exclusive cosmetic rewards. Joining a clan also provides a supportive community for tackling the toughest content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.